my whole journey of letting go. I sold my car, I cut my hair off, I tried to let go of so many things these past days and transforming my room into like a cleaner environment so I can have a clearer mind and I can actually be happier and put all the money that I have into things that I truly value. I was traveling within the US, Canada, Mexico, and Europe, all these places that a lot of people think you have so many privileges, you have so much money, and it's actually just a matter of time management and money management, of seeing what you truly value. I want to encourage you to get on this journey too and experience the same thing that I'm experiencing, because that's just beautiful, to let go of all these attachments to things, of feeling guilty. It's like we don't need to hold on to all these things and miss out on all these opportunities and experiences instead that we could use our money to, instead of putting our money all into things that are not going to make us happy.